Welcome. This tutorial will show you how to rearm a logger with Eclo ExpressThermo Windows 10 application. ExpressThermo makes it very easy to rearm a logger, that is, to program a logger, using the same programming parameters that it currently has. To see how this works, let's download a logger. This should occur automatically when you plug the logger into the interface, unless you've said otherwise. Assuming you've done everything you want to do with this data, you can move on to rearm it, that is, reprogram it, using the current settings. Just press the Rearm Logger button. Usual warnings about data loss appear, and pressing Program will carry the programming operation without the need of further intervention. Simple, right? This completes the tutorial about rearming loggers with ExpressThermo. You've learned how to program a logger with its current programming settings. Thank you for watching. Please check the ExpressThermo support site or the YouTube channel for more tutorials.